right in front of you, a bursting chain of affirmations of mine yet to be, empty with such fullness, a realm of the true spirits. Don't let life have to wait on you. Wake, walk through your dreams. You are stuck without your dreams.
Real life, right? Real life motherfuckers. That's kind of what you get when you get real motherfuckers on stage, you know what I'm saying? We actually talk to y'all. I'm on this whole, I'm 0.5% of a circle. One is the X chromosome, the second is Y. Genetically, we carry on one or the others to multiples the same. Organically, theoretically, I'm particles, DNA in sky. Home partakes in pi r squared. I fraction cubes to study within the cubicle. Read square books, a circle of pairs plus pupils. Time will fix the tool and eats the half the biological tech. While my astrological history defines it. Fossils apart from half the whole. Remember the circle, subject self by 3.1 fold. Heart, soul, and mind. Other we die question instability. Why you have the destruction? We keep burning with fertility, the newly born. And walk storms of the expense till he Christ. Uniform, but never no more. Not shared by dream or changing states. Sacrifice with a hollow body gone. Chrome seals from plastic on. Laws of the born in this flashy estate. Reform the law. Those on top, literally, those stereotypes for law, y'all. Bitch used to be a dog, now dog is man's best friend. Cause they can follow command. Notice command can't be without the word man. The key word for mankind. Woman, what about the woman? I guess she remains a bitch. Mother Earth preserves it. Then becomes the planet if it really is the man's world. Then he fucks the planet. Man is the man who's manhandles. Mankind instrumentals. Man dating minutes monthly. Mentioning manipulating messages of man and man. Humanity mannerisms. Man as he man. Man is hard to do with that.
Why